Okay, right when we thought that we knew everything about the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 4, EVLeaks come up with something new. And this might just disappoint you, also at the same time might make you happy. Now, if you don't know about the Fold 4, the Fold 4 will almost have the same design of the Fold 3, the current model. And it will be so much so similar that even the camera bump, according to your leaker, will be almost identical. So what we have seen till now, the S22 Ultra-like camera bump isn't coming. It's gonna be like the Fold 3. But the good thing is that it will still get the camera upgrade in the form of a 50 megapixel main camera. The ultra-wide and the teleporter camera are gonna be 12 megapixels with 3x teleporter zoom camera. That's it. No upgrades there. And yes, the phone will be quite a bit wider in terms of both the display aspect ratios. But the disappointing thing is that even though you probably expecting it to have a 1TB of storage option, but it seems like it might not happen. And that's the disappointing part. But there were also rumors that the 1TB model will be coming to South Korea. We don't know about that at this moment. But in the US at the very least, I can say that the 1TB model isn't happening at all. But then there is another good thing, kind of. EVLeaks latest tweet also says the Fold 4 will come in 3 storage options: 512GB, 256GB and 128GB. I think that is not something you are expecting. The Fold 3 on the other hand, if you don't know, only comes in 2 storage options: 256GB model which costs around $1799 and the 512GB model which retails around $1900. So now my question is, we have heard that Samsung will make the Fold much cheaper than the Fold 3. So now I'm wondering if Samsung is aiming to do that by introducing a 128GB model? I don't know. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Now, it is also not clear if Samsung will include a 16GB RAM variant with the 512GB model. It is still not clear. We have to look for that. Subscribe this channel for that. Now, here's a big update. The render showcased the Galaxy Z Fold 4 in the 3 color options: the beige, the blue/grey-green and the black. We just saw the leaks by EVLeaks. Now, even though it might look like Galaxy Z Fold 3 to most of us, but if you don't know, recently another leaker also said that it will feature the same camera bump as the current model. Nevertheless, given how close we are to the official launch, it is very much possible that the industry sources already have the renders of the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Overall, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be a refinement rather than a crazy groundbreaking one. So let me know in the comment section, improved camera, snappier performance and just a slightly refined design is what will make you buy the Fold 4, or you're gonna be like, okay fine, I'm gonna wait for the Fold 5. I will take few seconds to introduce you to my latest wallpaper pack, Agate. These are insanely sharp, beautiful and high resolution 8K wallpapers made for desktops, laptops, tablets and your smartphones. You can visit the link in the description to check out. And yeah, you can also subscribe to my website for exclusive discounts. Or simply, you just can visit my website joindavid.com for latest tech news that matter. Until the next one, bye and take care.